We're going on a trip in my favorite rocket ship, zooming through the skies. And my boosted Z. We got early morning views on top of views. Got a little Gap snack right here. Everybody thinks that just because you're on a well means you're fast. That's not always the case. Most of the time it is, but not always the case. Ladies and gentlemen, we have arrived. So the worst part about coming here is this spot. Luckily there's no traffic, but I always have to like rev, and you know the whole thing with not revving here. I hate to be that guy, but luckily there's no traffic, so we're good. It's a nice day though. Very nice day. The only thing about coming here now is their little cone setup is not it, dog. Like it's not really clear because I'm trying to get to that side, right? Came from over there, but like I'm coming down these aisles and like they're blocked off and I can't go, and it's like, yo. And then look, like I'm just sitting here, everybody's looking at me, I'm looking at them, and like I got a car behind me too, and I'm just like, is anybody gonna move the cones? Do I have to get out and move them myself? Like what's happening? Oh my gosh. Y'all, no way. Look, so I don't even know what kind of car this is, right? Look at who's driving it. That fool's wearing a clown mask, yo, no way. Dog, talk about creepy. No way, look, even he's like, no way. I gotta take a picture of this. I gotta put my window down.
Gotta get a big smile.
That's crazy, bro. Talk about creepy, no way. Dog, the view of this place will never get old. I don't know. It's kind of crazy. It looks sick. Y'all always hear me say every video, view this, view that, but it's because there's so many out here. Came down here because sometimes this is where the hidden gems be, but apparently it's not too crowded upstairs. So there's not really any cars down here. But typically, like if it's crowded upstairs, this whole place is packed with cars. I actually really like this color. And there's the white cage on the inside. As cliche as this might sound, this is probably the best Supra that I've seen, like in a while, yo. The paint matched hood, the carbon exposed, the car seats, the interior is freaking mint, dog. The wheel specs is on point. I don't know if it's a known thing with these cars if they have to do it, but they always have to do like a different offset from the front to the rear. I don't know if you guys ever noticed that. But typically, Supra owners don't know how to pick wheels out that well. But this one's clean though. Yo, you got the kitties. This is actually kind of crazy. ZR1. You guys know that they don't make these no more. This one's automatic though. The manual ones are normally the real rare ones, but they don't make these no more. So I'm interested in seeing like what these are gonna do in the next couple of years because they're already pretty expensive. Dog, no way. I think this is what, the LT4 motor, I think, swapped in the old body. Dog, this is insane. Nice clean work. It looks stock, yo. Looks like the other stock headers. Looks like they swapped it over. Dog, this is crazy. That paint is busting. Wow, that's crazy. This is sick. Interior is mint.
Crazy how big that is.
Wow. That's crazy. We have a C6 ZR1. Yo, I would take one of these so quick. Super mint.
But they moved it to New York, right?
Carbon roof. Can't really see, but interior is Alcantara. Fully stock. Dog, if I got my hands on one of these, yeah. I'm not even gonna say anything. I'm just gonna walk by. You guys already know. You already know, dog. Oh my gosh. Dog, that stick is carbon fiber. If that camera ever falls, if that was my car and it fell, I would cry. 300ZX, yo. Look at this engine bay. Somebody tell me, how do you change the spark plugs? This looks like the, first of all, you can't even add forced induction to this car because it can't fit unless you do it underneath the car, right? Where are the spark plugs? Yo, I would hate to work on this engine. That is crazy. Lime Rock M3. I think they made only, I'm not even gonna quote it because I don't remember, but there was a very limited production of these ever made. So these are actually like really expensive, especially if it's in like mint condition. I don't know if I would want it though. I mean, the orange car, I don't know, maybe. Got the carbon roof though. Yeah, I don't know. I would have to ponder on it like overnight. Oh man. We got an R32 over here though, right-hand drive on the TEs. Okay. It's funny because it smells like an old car. It's clean though. Looks like it's in a pretty good condition. Honestly, it's probably one of my favorite GTRs, I would say. The Dark Horse just came out and this fool wasted no time putting it on the tire, yo. At least the fitment's good, but sheesh. How do you guys feel about this car? Like, do you like the rear end? Do you like the tail lights? What's crazy about this car is the fact that you can actually rev it with the key. That, Lord, don't let that get in the wrong hands. I already know what's gonna happen. You already know what's gonna happen. All right, ladies and gentlemen, let's go ahead and head out. It is really hot out here. This right here is exactly why we don't come here often, or at least come out here often. There's always traffic. Now the thing is, it's gonna take me roughly an hour to get home, right? It should only take about 30 minutes, but there's always traffic on the way home. But this is actually not as bad as it normally is. Normally it's about 2 hours to get home. Right now it's an hour, so it's not too bad. But just to give you guys an idea, this is exactly why I don't come out here that often. Once we get home, we gotta leave right away because we have an appointment down in National City because I gotta get my hair done, right? I can't be out here looking crazy, right? Dog, I'm gonna be driving the Z to National City. This fool's checking it out. That's funny. Appreciate that, bro.
That shit is nice, bro.
Appreciate that, thank you. But we have an appointment down in National City to get the car. I appreciate it, bro. Thank you. We're gonna be distracted. We got an appointment down in National City to get my hair done, right? So I can be out here looking crazy. Dog, I gotta drive this car to National City. For my people that are from California, that's like driving this car to Oakland. The reason why I have to drive this car is because we are most likely staying in San Diego tonight. And this is my weekend car. I don't really like driving any other car on the weekend. How do you guys feel about that color? Honestly, I like it. It's loud. You can definitely spot it out from a mile away, but I would rock it. I'm not gonna lie. Let's see, let's get it up close and personal. I like the color, dog. I like the color. I like it. Dog, this is that traffic that just have you start making up things, bro, because you're so bored. You're like, oh, no, I'm on the way. I don't know what I'm saying, but yes, we're finally out of that traffic, dog. Yes, let's go. And just like that, we are leaving again. Man, it is freaking hot today. Come on, car, come on. Come on. Goodness gracious, yo. Woo! It's hot today, boys. Dog, this is the definition of some weird stuff. Look, this fool's driving stupid. Driving stupid. For what, bro? Chill. I don't know why, bro. Some of these fools be like seeing modified cars and stuff and like thinking that they could just drive any type of way to get like their attention or whatever. Like, this fool, look how close he is. This fool is driving stupid, bro. I don't get it. I don't get it. That's weird. Let's watch. He's gonna come right here to the side. Watch. Wait for it. Wait for it. There it is. Finally. Yo, I'm telling you, he came from like the right lane and like swerved heck hard trying to get right next to me. and then like stood right next to me, like tried to drive right next to me, like, bro, chill. I'm trying to cause an accident. It's not that serious. And we are back. Your boy is back. Yo. So there's two things I want to tell you guys. One, Sema's coming up. And it hurts my heart because for the longest time, one of my biggest goals, which is still my biggest goal, is to attend a Sema show. And this year just means it's another year where we aren't going. Which is not a bad thing. Like I said, it's just because it's one of my biggest goals, one of my biggest dreams is to attend Sema, right? But not just to like go as a spectator. Like I'm trying to go by being invited by like a company or like a business, or even like have a car there. To have a car at Sema, yo, easily my top 3 like bucket list items, I guess you can say. Attend the Sema show and to have a car there. What is this? Yeah, that would be dope. Number 2, I currently have technically three unreleased videos. 2 in which you guys are gonna see by the end of this year. Technically last week I did film. I told you guys in the last video I haven't picked up the camera in a week. That was a lie. I just remembered that was a lie. I have 2 unreleased videos that you guys are gonna see by the end of this year. And then the other unreleased video, which would make it the 3rd one, you're not gonna see until 5 years from now. But it's gonna be worth the wait, I promise. No. Try it again.
Okay.
Ready? No, see, you didn't do it right. You have to, it's supposed to be natural, dog. Look. Yeah, loosen up. Ready? Let's go. No. Bring it back. Ready? Come on. No, see, why you? It has to just be smooth, dog.
I ain't smooth, dog. I'm fucking.
No. Yeah, see, come on, ready? Let me see, do it.
Alright.
Somebody go get that girl, dog. Alright, ready? No. Maybe because you have arms like a T-Rex. Maybe that's why. Maybe because you have short arms.
Let me extend it real quick.
What?
Wait,
No.
wait.
Alright, come on. No. It has to be in sync, dog. Come on. Let's go. And you know, this is where we have to end the video. You know, we always start the videos with getting E85. Now we're gonna end it. We're currently downtown San Diego, headed home. Just had to stop and get some fuel. Man, 85 prices, man. 85 prices. This was 150 miles on the full tank. So, you know, typical. I just need E85 prices to go down, because if we're going up, even though it'd be cheaper than $100, still, I'm used to like $2.
Who knew I would make it this far? They hated, they never believed me. Yeah, I would never drop the ball. I know I make it look easy. Yeah, Mayweather with the defense. I don't care what a critic gotta say. I got them picking up the pieces. That to me, you really playing with your life. I'm about to come and run it all back. I'm the new era, about to snap back. You ain't fitting for it, cause you all cap like.